Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert call room. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had two opportunities, and we had two winning trades. It was a little bit of an interesting day today. We had Janet Yellen speaking, which caused this big down move here. Basically, she said the stock market was overvalued. So we were very careful here. On the other hand, the market did drop from the top here almost 20 points. And we did have a setup here during news, an RS trade that occurred at 78 quarter. Which would have worked without being stopped out. In fact, we would have only taken 2 or 3 ticks of heat, but we did not take that because of the news. We basically waited until we had a long over here. I did mention a short here, RS here, short here, but with the market down so much, just wanted to be a little cautious. There was reason to believe they were going to stop around here. So again, the risk to reward, maybe a point or two if we got in down here. We just didn't do anything there. So the first trade we took was an S play, and that was at right after the 945 candle, a 79 quarter, 79.50 after this red candle closed. That's where it's kind of sat here for 5 or 10 seconds. I said you're just going to have to get in here to see if they can take it up. We were looking for 84 first. Well, we were looking for 82 and then 84, and then I had higher targets that were not activated until they got above the 84. When it sat around here for 2 or 3 candles, we had what's called a ZL that came in. We knew that sellers were going to come in that area, so I told everybody get out completely or get out of all. In fact, I said you could reverse, but I didn't make that an official call because I don't like to have people reverse in the room, especially if there's people still long with a runner. So realistically, this trade produced 3 to 4 points, and that's it. Sure enough, it did come down, kind of went sideways in here. I was looking for the market to come down. If you look at this thick line here, this is a 2070, and mind you, this line in this circle was here the whole time. I was looking for 70. If you look over here, we never got to 70. We got to 70.50. We missed it by 2 ticks. That's why I was leery about longs. Even down here, we talked about longs, but was leery about it. Waited to market to show a little bit more strength to the upside for a temporary long there. But I was always worried about this 70 level here. So after we got this trade here, I said, look, we're going to sit here. We're going to wait for a short because they're probably coming back down. Never materialized. Once the 11 o'clock came, I said, I'm staying. Okay, market came down here. I said, if we get up, we were waiting for something in here right around 11. I said, look, if we get above 78, I'm going to just call it a day. But if they keep coming down, just because at that point the trade might have taken too long to materialize, I didn't have an hour or two to sit. We did have a trade here, 76 quarter area. 76 quarter, 76, 75 area. We got short. Some people got it even at 76. And I said, get yourself into a risk-free trade. And here's the targets. Okay, we're looking for the 70. These are a couple baby levels here. Okay, if you're looking to take profits, hold it as long as you can, depending on how many contracts you have. This is the level here, 70. If they get below 70, they're coming down to this circle. Period. Okay, I had to leave. Okay, so I don't know what people got, but certainly a couple points before I left. And even if you just held it down to this target here, you would have made 4 points because that was hit to the tick and filled. Actually, it was 1 tick lower there. It went down to 71.50, I believe. So you certainly would have been filled to 72. And if they held till 70, they would have made that. And if you look at my circle here, that of course did end up getting hit way down here. In fact, on a closing basis, it was the low of the day to the tick. Okay, the bottom of the circle to the tick, and the market came up and it went there now. So I don't know how long people held it. Again, I'm going to check with them tomorrow in the room, but it was about 14 points if they held it down to the very bottom of the circle, which most people probably did not. I'm guessing a lot probably got out around 70 for about 6 points. But again, beautiful, beautiful day. We had to wait a little bit past this time. And again, some people might not have been able to hold because it was lunch. Maybe they had to leave or whatever. But anywhere from a 2-point winner up to 10 plus points, depending on how long people were trading today. And we're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow. So until then, guys, have a great day.